these are super easy and simple to make. First thing I want everyone to do is while you're at wherever you're getting your materials, you need to lay everything out in the orientation that you're going to want. Now this is 2 pipe flanges, 2 2.5 inch pieces, 2 90s, and an 18-inch bar. We'll start assembly. These are so easy to put together. This would be a good project for maybe a father and son, or parent and child, I guess I should say. Anyone looking for a little fun DIY project. And it's really just that simple. So it's 2 90s, 2 floor flanges, 2 2.5 inch pieces, 18-inch bar. When you put it all together, you know, get it good and hand tied will be fine. You want to try to line your floor flanges up where they're fairly equal. I am going to paint this black to keep it from rusting because it will be in a bathroom, so I will put a picture up of it installed. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good day.